Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords are Real Housewives of Durban, and these are the ones that are definitely not coming back for the next season. Now, Jabulani McDonald reported the following cast members will not be returning for Real Housewives of Durban Season 5. 1. Zama Ngcobo. Alright, Mina Uzama, I didn't have a problem per se with her. I liked Uzama, ne? However, I feel Uguti Vele Uzama should sit this one out. The reason why is that Ugo is overly sensitive and also overly rude. Like, you cannot want to be sensitive and at the same time be able to dish it. I love how she dishes it though and just puts it there. Hey, nanje. But you cannot be both. You cannot be sensitive and want your feelings to be unnecessary. When you cannot offer the same thing. Also, the whole age thing bored me because there's nothing, guys, to be ashamed of when you are 50 or when you are 60. It shows that you have grown and it's natural. I don't know why is age such a taboo and we want to hide it, but that just was just a turn off for me, ne? And then Amy Thompson is also going. I don't have a problem with Amy. I did not know Amy that much. As much as she was there, Ugo was not contributing a lot. The only thing that I remember was the fake hijack thingy, and that's it. That was Amy's contribution for me on the show. So I feel Uguti Vele, she did not bring a lot to the table, and therefore, yeah, the show can go on without her. Usley Ndlovu, no. I need my officially financially overstretched queen to be part of this. Guys, when are we going to see her driving her Rolls Royce? When are we going to see her flourish with her big, beautiful car? If they are taking away our Slee, and we will not be able to see conflict between Nonku and Slee when Slee addresses the marriage issue to say, girl, ushateni nomhlangane kupina lo muntu and mina ngivumi lento yakho, and then it blows up in Nonku's face 5 months down the line, and Slee is scared to say I told you so because she'll be called bitter and mean. No, Slee cannot leave, but Usli is also leaving. I guess that's a bitter pill for us to swallow. I don't know what you guys think. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.